Mini who?
Might.
Alright, mini might. Alright, Rihanna. So you know what you do here so right now?
No.
Do you know why you're here today? No. Alright, so you know what you do here right now? Alright, so you know what you gonna do right now?
No.
No? No idea? Alright. We are going to try a snack. You're going to be trying a snack. Alright? We are going to try a little snack here. You're going to be trying out a snack. Alright?
Yes.
That's Snackables. So this is what you're going to be trying.
I've asked for the flavors.
You ever tried before?
Yeah, but not this one.
So not the hot and spicy. Alright, so you ready for try?
Yeah.
This is what you're going to be trying today. You know that? What is it?
Snackables.
So read what's on there.
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy. So that is what you're going to be trying today. What's that? What does it say?
Snackables, crackers, hot and spicy flavor, spicy
Alright. Oh, you're afraid of that? Pepper. Hot and spicy. Maybe not all that bad, man. You can't start. You need to say a prayer or something. Look like you're ready for it. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. This is what you're going to be trying out today. Hot and spicy. So you know what that means? Alright, so you ready?
Yes.
So you pull the bag upside down. How is it so far, OJ?
Wow.
Wow. I don't understand. Tell me what you mean. Hmm? Peppery.
Spicy.
What happened? Even though the bags are hot and spicy. You know hot. What do you think about it so far? You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think so far? What do you think about it so far, Rihanna?
Okay. Maybe we have to run.
It hot bad. You want water? Eat one more. One more. So you think about it so far? Like it? Can't finish the bag, not true? I say nice man, that don't make that shit. On a scale of 1 to 10, right? 10 being the hottest and 1 being the least hot. Where would I grade it? Where would you put it? 1? Okay. So tell me, is it hot? You know hot? Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hottest, right? Where would you put it?
1.
1? So you're not hot none at all? So tell me, you hot or you not hot?
Not hot.
You not hot?
Nice.
Yeah?
I'm gonna try eat 3 same time.
3 of them, same time. Can't finish it. It's alright if you can't finish it. You like it, man? Say not hot and spicy for you then if you mash it up so. Don't know? Let me see your bag if you're done. What kind of trick you try run for me? But I done. Oh wait, I get hot now. Eh? Are you afraid of shine so? Like I said. Yo, like all the item I run water my youth. Mini hot man, you hot not you? Mini, yeah hot. Your fire shine, see? Your eye them a run water, I haul up. Like your nose a run too. You want the water? You sure? Yeah, no. Alright, mini mate. No, me no make any mini. You finish? Alright, mini. Done that. Would you recommend the hot and spicy to somebody else? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Look like it just start getting nice, man. Start getting nice when you're almost done.
No.
You're not almost done? You want more? One more. I hit that now. That's it. You finished now?
No.
Let me see in your bag. Yeah, go on, man. Oh my, like you really nice, man.
Want more?
Hmm?
Want more?
You want more?
Can't eat no more.
That's it.
Yes.
Alright, boy. Me still have video, you know.